when following the sign to Ring Road, London from Garsington Road. On the approach, take effective observation and position on the right hand line. Continue in the right hand line. After passing the second exit, check the interior left door mirror and merge into the middle line. After passing the third exit, merge into the left line. Continue in the left hand line, and this is how this roundabout is being done. Thank you for watching this video. For more information or to book a driving lesson, call 074 34 821 917 or visit our website at www.driveprofessional.co.uk.